Hello, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day. I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing into my channel. I love you all. Today I'm teaching Hadal Adi, words that are being spoken almost daily. Lesson 2, level Kiswahili, Swahili ka English, English iyo Somali. Hatred English, Somali, human. Kiswahili chuki. Kiswahili chuki. Kiswahili chuki. Education, elimu. Elimu, education. Kiswahili elimu, English education, Somali elimu. Medicine, dawa kwa Kiswahili inaitwa dawa, English medicine, Somali dawo. Kiswahili fundisha, ama fundisha, English teach, Somali baro, Somali wa. Sack, Kiswahili gunia, English sack, Kisomali jawan. Story, Kiswahili hadithi, hadithi, English story, Kisomali sheko. Before, zamani, Kiswahili, English before, Somali kahore iyo marhore. Mistake, English, Swahili makosa. English mistake, Kisomali dhambi. Branch, English tawi. Kanwa geto, lakini kanwa. This one is branch, Somali len, English branch. This is a branch, Kiswahili tawi. Kikombe, English Kisomali wae kop, Somali wae kop. English cup, Kiswahili kikombe, kanwa. Cup, Somali cup we see, give me a cup. Cup we see, your cup can. Plate, sahani, plate why. English plate, Somali sahan. Kiswahili na Kisomali kuhusu sahani na sahan almost afskumit why. Sahani iyo, sahani iyo, ama sahani iyo, sahan. Somali sahan. English plate, Kiswahili sahani. Kettle, English Kisomali ibirikh iyo jalmat. Ibirih iyo jalmat. Kiswahili birika. Birika jalmat. Panga. Panga, English why? Panga. Somali safe. English, Kiswahili panga. Panga. Lakini panga iyo safe iyo panga sikumiti why? Money. Somali lakh. Somali lakh. English money. Kiswahili pesa. Pesa kwa mfano, for example, I want to say give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. In Somali, I will say lak keida iken. Lak ken iyo lak keida iken. Give me my money. Then you have question. Question swali why? Kiswahili swali. Firi. Af Somali swali iyo af Swahili swali. Af Sikumidhi why? Swali iyo swali. English question. Come is English. Kiswahili kuja. Somali kale. Come here. Kuja hapa. Kan tusale why? Kuja hapa. Kisomali utasema inta kale. Come and sit here. Kuja ka hapa. Unasema kuja hapa inta imao. Kuja ka hapa. Kale inta fariso. Kale inta fariso. Fariso iyo fariso. Kale inta fariso. Kuja ka hapa or come and sit here. Kale inta fariso. Leta maji. Bring water. Bio ken. Iyo bio iken. Bio iken. Iyo iken bio. Script why? Leta maji. Can why? Leta maji. Bio why? Maji. Pika uji. Kari why? Pika kari. Uji mshari. Pika kari. Uji mshari. I hope you are enjoying my lesson because I love teaching and I love being with the children. I hope you are enjoying. Sit on the chair. Kaa kwa kiti. Kursi. Chair. Kursi. Chair why? Chair. Kursi. Table. Why? Table. Miss Somali. Miss. Miss, table. Chair, English. Kiswahili, kiti. Kiswahili, kiti. Meza, miss, meza. Meza. Kursi, Somali. Chair. Chair, English. Kiti, Kiswahili. Miss, Somali. Table, English. Meza, Swahili. Why? Okay. We are still continuing. Flower. Flower. Flower is English. Flower, English. Somali, uba. 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 Swahili, ua. Flower, English. Somali, uba. Kanwai, ha. Swahili, ua. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful flower. Beautiful flower. You will say uba huru. Uba huru. Kanwa. Kan. Wa. Uba. Huru. Huru. You can say, my grandmother is so beautiful. My grandmother is beautiful, or my mom is beautiful. You will say, hoyo huru, iyo, aye yo huru, hoyo huru, hoyo huru, huru, hoyo huru. It means my mom is beautiful. Hoyo huru, ayeyo huru, ayeyo huru, ayeyo man, hoyo man, hoyo. Okay, you can say hoyo man, hoyo man, man. Hoyo man means sweet. Why? Sweet, sweet, sweet. Hoyo huru. Hoyo man, your mom is beautiful and she's so sweet. Every mother is beautiful and sweet, just like me. I am huruh, and queen huruh, bahor huruh. So you say hoyo huruh, hoyo man, ayeyo huruh, ayeyo, ayeyo man, ayeyo man, iyo, ayeyo huruf, ayeyo huruf, huruf saidi, huruf, ayeyo huruf, hoyo huruf, ayeyo huruf, hoyo huruf, gabar huruf, huruf sana, huruf said. I love you and sodewo, kuli sodewo. Thank you for watching. Continue learning. I love you people. You are the best, and may God bless you and keep you. Bye bye. Ciao.